Alright, here we go again with another unboxing. This is the Elgato Game Capture HD. Basically, for Xbox, you can hook this up with an HDMI cable, and it's going to be like a pass-through. So you're going to hook one cable into this, and then the other end you're going to hook into the TV, and it'll be able to record 1080p footage. So on a PS3, you have to use the composite cables. HD component, I should say. Let's see here. Let's open this thing up. See what's inside. This is a neat device. They added some new features recently where you can stream to Twitch.tv and YouTube, which is a pretty good update. Out of the box, they didn't have that originally, but they just put that out in a software update. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. First off, it's got a little getting started guide here. I'll show you how big this actual device is. It's pretty small. I would say it's just bigger than a deck of cards, maybe about the same. So that is really nice, makes it nice and portable. So on this side we have HDMI in. So this will be coming in from the Xbox. And then you have AV in. And on the other side you have USB and HDMI out. So that's what we have there. And it does, like I said, it does plug in with, it's powered off the USB. So keep that in mind. We've got a couple set of cables here. This is a USB cable. And then what we have here is the component, HD component. And then here we got HDMI cable. And then lastly, we just have the AV cable here. So that's what's included in the box. You have a getting started guide. It's a really easy getting started, and to get this thing set up, first thing I would do is go to the website and download the latest version, because you want all the latest features, and you don't want to be left out by using what's included. So definitely go do that, and look forward to I'm going to have some demo videos and how to set it up, just in case that wasn't clear enough, and some other videos, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is how the Elgato is set up. The green, you see a little green rubber band on the left there, that is coming in from the Xbox. As you can see, it says HDMI in. The other end is HDMI out, and that is going out to the TV. And then USB I just have plugged into the laptop. So there is a quick note on this. Actually, with the USB, you actually don't have to have it plugged into a laptop. Say you don't want to always have it plugged in, you can just plug it into the Xbox, and as long as this thing's powered up, you don't have to unhook any of the other cables, which is pretty handy. Some people are kind of throwing a fit because they always had to have their laptop on, even though they didn't want to stream, which isn't true. All you have to do is just plug it into the USB port on the Xbox, and you'll just be able to play as usual. You won't have to unhook any of the you won't have to unhook any of the HDMI cables. So that's just a quick look at that. Stay tuned for more.